Hi guys, today I'm going to show how we can configure Google Analytics with a Wix hosted website. So I have a website called as moneyearners.org which is hosted on Wix website hosting server, and I have already integrated Google Analytics with this website, but I would show you how it can be done if it is not integrated. So all you have to do is go to marketing and SEO, and under that you have to go to marketing integrations. So when marketing integrations opens, you have a service called as Google Analytics, and you can connect your Google Analytics with this one. As you can see here, the Google Analytics for this website is already connected, but I would show you how it can be done. So I am using a different email ID and I would go for start measuring. So I would have to give my account name. So I will rename it as whatever I have given for the other email ID. And then I will keep everything as is, and I'm going for next option. So here, as you can see, the latest server provides two options. One is Google Analytics 4 and the other one is called as the Universal ID. So earlier we used to have Universal ID alone, but now since your new versions of Google Analytics provides a Google Analytics 4 where everything is clubbed under one umbrella, so you can either opt for create Universal Analytics property once you have generated this Google Analytics 4. So here you can give the property name. So for the property name, I will have to select a name. So here it's asking me to give 4 to 5 characters. So I will say money earners and leave it as it is. I will change this to my time zone, which is the universal plus 5:30, and I would keep the monetization in US dollar. So here you have to actually enable this to universal property and then give the website URL, which is money earners for me. And once that is done, you will have to here you have an option of either creating a Universal Analytics alone or create both Google Analytics 4 and Universal Analytics property. So with the enablement of Google Analytics 4, you have extra features that Google is providing, where like most of the categories like demographics and other analytics features are clubbed under one umbrella. And you also have more secondary features added to this GA4 property. And with the universal property, you can use this ID throughout for any kind of meta tag linking or any analytical property that Google provides. So this had been there earlier. This is the new introduction. So you can either opt for this or this, but it is preferable that you go for this option. So once you do next, here you would be asked to select what kind of category your industry is. You can say it's business and industrial, how many employees, like if it's a business one, how big it is, and what all you're trying to measure. So depending on your website and what kind of analysis you're doing, you can select the appropriate option, and then you can go for a create. So I won't be creating. Okay, let me go ahead and create. So once I've created, I would have to say I accept. So once I accept this, so this is how your analytic properties, this is the ID that got created, which is a GA4 ID. And as you can see, it is tagged to your URL. If you want any other Google tagging, that is allowed through Google Tag Manager or any other tagging instruction. So I would leave as whatever default is there as it is. I'm not going to change anything. So as you can see here, uncheck all and save. So this is like email communication. The default is what I would require. So the data would be collected after 48 hours, but this will happen only when you connect your GA tag with your website. So if I go here and if I copy that GA ID which I copied and paste it here and save, then whatever traffic I'm getting for this website would be captured on this data, and I would be able to view the analytics. So I would show you what analytics I already have with the integration. So if I go to this and I say analytics.google.com with the email ID that I've selected, which is already integrated with the Google Analytics 4 tag, I would be able to view, I'll change this to the email ID. Yeah, it took some time to load, so I just paused the video. So as you can see, the analytics is configured and I'm able to view the traffic that I'm getting for the website. It's a new website, so I don't have a great traffic for that. But this is how you configure Google Analytics with your new website, which is hosted on Wix server. If you find any value in this and you want more videos of such sort, please comment and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. It gives me motivation. So thank you for watching.